What's up, traders around the world? This is your trade of the day, and this trade was taken by Jerremy Newsome, the CEO of Real Life Trading, using the 10 EMA strategy, the strategy that he has been focusing on all year long. Let's just see what he did on this trade. We have a nice gap down on this candle. We have a bearish candle, and now we have a little entry candle that is a bullish candle closing below the 10 EMA. We take that one with a stop limit sell and a stop right above this candle. Nice entry. We are wicked in on this candle right here, and we are wrong immediately. It never goes in our direction. So what do? We actually close this one out if we can get to break even, and we do right here on this candle. So we are out of this trade for a nice small win, 0.01 on the day or something like that, and we look to flip because we were wrong immediately. So what do? We wait for the long 10 EMA entry, which is right here. So we flip these entries entirely over right here, and we get in above this bearish candle. We have our stop right below this candle, and that one runs to target. If you want to learn how to trade the 10 EMA strategy, visit reallifetrader.com, and I will see y'all next time.